Hello there, Taurus. Welcome to the channel. This is Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. Thank you all very much for being here today, Taurus. So we're going to be looking at a few things, but before we get started today, I want to say that I'm running a sale right now, guys. So if you guys are interested in getting a video that is just like what you see here on YouTube, you don't want to miss this. For the rest of the month, I am running a sale on all video readings, all video recordings. So you guys will get a very in-depth and detailed look into what is going on with you and your person of interest. We will look at how you both feel and how you both see each other, which is different from what you see here since this is a general reading. We will also go deeper and look at your true intentions for each other and some helpful advice and the right advice as far as helping you guys move past some issues or stay connected. All right. So if you're interested in that, it's at a really super affordable rate. So if you want to check that out, I do recommend following the link down below and the description box. Okay. Take advantage of that, Taurus, especially during this time, because the energy coming up is very different for your sign. I haven't seen this in a while. So as you all may know, I am channeling music. The song that is coming up at this time is a song by the singer Fantasia, and it is called I Ain't Gon' Beg You. Okay? Ain't gon' beg you. No, I ain't gon' beg you no more. I'm sick and tired of waiting, don't know what I'm waiting for. 'Cause you know you don't treat me like you should when you know I'm the coldest thing up out this hood. So Taurus, this is really interesting for you guys, right? So there is an energy coming up where either you or someone you're dealing with, okay? It can be either way. It can be you or your love interest, okay? This person or you feels like they kept asking for something, right? Kept asking for love, or kept asking for attention, or kept asking to be connected, to get close. But someone's sick and tired of like waiting on the other person. Someone feels like they're not being treated the way they should. And someone's like, how could you not do this? And I am the one. I am the one, not the two. I am the one that you really want. I am the one that you really are in love with, to be honest, no matter if you're with someone else or not, right? So there's this energy like that coming up here, and I don't know, it could be from a male or female perspective, okay? But it does feel like an energy where someone has a third party, because it could be someone has a third party and the person that's actually supposed to be with the Taurus is like questioning the Taurus about this. Like, what are you doing? How are you like with someone else? And you know you really love me. So it's that energy. Or it can be that there's no third party at all. It can just be two single individuals. But it's still like, what am I like? Why am I waiting? You're single, I'm single, right? So there's this energy like that coming up, Taurus. Now, how do you feel about your love interest? Okay, some of you could be in an energy of loaning money to someone. I'm not sure where that came from, but some of you may be getting asked by family or friends for this. Or it can be that you are having some type of lucrative opportunity come up, but you may leave this behind. You may pass up an offer because maybe you put love first. Or maybe someone passes up on an offer to work with you or deal with you because but maybe that is the thing that needed to happen so that you can realize how much you actually love someone, because that's what I'm getting. That must be what it is, Taurus. So the song lyrics is actually coming from you. The song, I thought it maybe would have come from another person about you, but it's actually coming from the Taurus. The Taurus, you feel like you've been waiting for an opportunity to be with the love of your life, or to be with someone that you really, really love and want to be with. And you're getting so tired of waiting on this person. So you've actually been waiting to see what's up with someone. And you feel like they're not treating you like they should treat you, because there's a distance, there's a separation, there's a discord, or there's like something like that is going on between you and someone that you love or want to be with. And you feel like you are the coldest about the hood, you know. Taurus, you feel like, what is this person thinking about having you wait? So you feel like this person is tripping for making you wait, and you're tired of waiting. Like, you can't keep waiting to like connect with them, to talk to them, to show them how much you want to be with them. So there is some type of lucrative opportunity that comes up, where maybe you are being offered something that could get you more money, or maybe you're being offered something that it's something you are being offered that you're passing up in the name of love. You're like, this doesn't sit well with me because it's not going to sit well with my love interest. Or it's something going on where you're putting love first, and you're not trying to do anything that would jeopardize your connection with someone that you really do want to be with, or a connection that you want to manifest here. So you're remaining true to what you feel in your heart first, instead of putting other obligations first. You're putting this love interest first. I feel like right now also, Taurus, you're in a time where you are ready for change. So you are detaching from all the things that don't allow you to feel free to do what you want to do right now. Anything, work obligations, friendships, family, anybody or anything outside of this connection that's making you feel like you are putting other things before your lover, you're not doing that anymore. This love interest seems to be your focus. This seems to be things that you're doing in your life. It seems to be aligning with this person. It's aligning with the future you see with them. So you are like actually wanting more freedom to do and choose who you want to be with, what you want to do, and how you want to do it. No one in your life right now can dictate to you how you should live your life. No one in your life right now should test you at this very particular time, especially if you are a Leo rising or have Leo somewhere in your chart, because we are in Leo season. So if you are a Taurus with Leo, hence the photos here, that is what they will get if they try you right now. So this energy is very, 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 very strong and powerful for you, Taurus. So people around you, they need to know that you have the right to choose who you want, what you want, and you're going to do that because this is your life. You don't live for people, you live for you. And you're making that known, you are making that clear at this time. You are doing what you feel is right according to your own wants and your dreams, what you are passionate about that's important. So, wow, and it does include something about your love life here. You're going after what you know in your heart is right, okay? You're like really putting your foot down now to a lot of stuff and a lot of people that try to make you choose certain things because of certain reasons, what looks good or what looks better. But not right now. You're going for what feels good, what is better, not the look, right? So you're definitely getting real with a lot of stuff right now. So this person you're interested in, Taurus, how are they feeling? This person feels really, really happy and really, really excited for growth on a personal level right now in their life. They could be going through some changes in their own life, but good changes, positive changes. They could be feeling bound to other things right now, like their responsibilities and things that they have going on or things that they need to do. But they are thinking forward. They're thinking about the future. They are wanting to see what is out there waiting for them, okay? This person is motivated And you may even experience at some point this person may get emotional about something, but it's not a really sad energy. It's just that this person is in a state of awe about their life right now. They're just like, there's a lot of newness surrounding this person right now, and they know that they have this full-blown potential to blossom and venture out and experience new things. So there is a lot that this person has gone through, and I feel like they're ready to explore more about who they are right now. They're seeking opportunities at this time and staying available. They are positive. They have positive intentions towards you. For some of you who are dealing with world leaders, or someone who works in politics, or someone who works in some type of like leadership role, this person could be seeing global success at this time. Or if this is someone who holds a really, really high role in society, then they could be just feeling like, wow, I can't believe that I'm achieving things, or I can't believe that I am here and able to see new possibilities now. So that could be something that this person's going through for some. Now, how do you see this individual that you are interested in, Taurus? It's something about perspective here. It's something about their perspective that you see. You understand who this person really is, and you understand where they are right now with you and in their own life. You see things through the lens of this person. You see things through their eyes. It is as if you can literally see things that they see the same way they see it. Okay? So when it comes to like them being successful, or when it comes to them creating a world, right, of new possibilities and being open to things, you see what they see. You see that they are, right? And so you understand. You have an understanding about how this person views things, what they're going after, what they're working on, and different things like that. But I also feel like because this person is in this type of energy, this is allowing you to examine the entire situation with you and this person from a higher perspective. Because this person has put themselves in a more open mindset, and they're not putting like too much emphasis on the connection so much right now, that's allowing you to see things from a different viewpoint. So now with this love interest, you realize that if you guys had created a hostile energy toward each other, or you and this person kept clashing or butting heads every time you tried to connect with them, every time you tried to talk to them, or tried to, like start the connection or kick it off or go on your first date or whatever, every time you inch closer to them, something happened where you two had bumped heads, right? You guys just kept the energy wanted to come together so bad, but you guys kept clashing. But now that you see things from a higher perspective, Taurus, now you understand the full scope of everything. Now peace can be made, and you guys can put an end to the issues that you had. You and this person are normally on edge with each other, quarreling or being competitive with each other, or this could just be the way you saw things, Taurus, but you're seeing things from their perspective now. And now you understand maybe that this person wasn't making you wait to be selfish. They weren't making you wait to play a mind game. This person wasn't making you wait. You took it that way. This person actually wanted you to see things from their perspective. Their perspective has a lot to do with the idea that they didn't want to compete with you, quarrel with you, argue with you, be moody toward you. They didn't want to have that headbutting with you. They didn't want that. They never wanted that. But they did apply pressure. They did make you feel things that you didn't expect to feel, and they could have triggered you. And that's what I feel like is coming from this person's perspective. That's all it was. But it did take for you to have to see things from a higher perspective in order to understand what was going on. So they allowed you the time to do that. Right? That's what's happening here. So for some of you, the numbers 23, 2, 3, or 5 could be significant for you or this connection. In any kind of way, it could be birth dates, could be lucky numbers, okay? Now let's look at this person, how they see you. So if you are a female Taurus watching and you want to know how a male looks at you, they see you as their baby mama. So if you have a child for them, they just see you as the mother of their child, okay? And that's really about it. Now, if you are a male Taurus watching for a female that you are interested in, then you may see this person as a future mother of your child. You could see them in a much, 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 much more higher position than just the mother of your child. You may also see this person as a true goddess, the Isis goddess energy. You see them in this light. So this is the person who you know is a very powerful presence, and you know when their energy is around you. This person's energy is going to be all around you, circulating around you for the rest of the month. So if you have any weird occurrences where certain things are happening that you can't really explain, such as you cry, right? You may cry out of nowhere. You may get really emotional that you cry. That's that energy. That is that energy. If you feel like you are praying more, like heavier, the energy that you may feel. If you feel more connected to spiritual things, spirituality, or looking at more nature shows on TV, or wanting to play with like pets more, animals, thinking about zoos. I mean, anything associated with the earth, anything associated with spirituality, anything connected to church, spirituality, religion, God, anything like that, then that could be why. Or it can be that this person comes with a blessing into your life, or came as a blessing, Taurus, because this is Isis energy, all right? And this person came as a blessing into your life. And I don't know if you realized it, but the numbers 36, 3, 6, or 9 can be very, very important at this time. And especially if you're seeing 3, 6, or 9, that's a surefire sign that that really is Isis. So you're going to be in a very powerful time right now, Taurus. So pay attention to a lot of things that's happening right now. It's going to be all around you. And that's all I have. God bless.